show you some ideas to adapt books for easier physical access for individuals who need just a little assistance with turning pages. Materials you might use include binder clips or paper clips, divider tabs, popsicle sticks, or clean, dry kitchen sponge. There are two basic techniques here. One strategy is simply to create space between the pages. If your reading partner needs a lot of extra room to turn the page, then you might cut up squares from a kitchen sponge. I would glue maybe a 1/2-inch piece to each corner, and that will give you plenty of room to put your hand in there and turn the page. If you don't need quite that much of a gap, but just want to keep the pages separated, then reinforcing the edges of the page with popsicle sticks might be a good choice. I would glue it down lengthwise, right along the edge for a better grip on the page. Really, anything you have on hand can work. A strip or a square of corrugated cardboard, even just a dot of hot glue on each page corner. Of course, you would need to let the glue dry completely as you adapted each page. So that's one technique, adding spacers in between the pages. Another strategy is to create a tab, something that sticks out from the edge of the page so that you can use it as a handle of sorts to push or pull the page upwards. For this, you could use actual divider tabs. This is the sort that one might use to label hanging file folders. I would put a line of glue right along the bottom edge and affix one of these to every page. And actually I would start from the bottom so that you don't get in your own way and turn too many pages at once. If you want something less permanent, I recommend paper clips or binder clips. These are very easy to take off and then reuse for another book. I even have this set of fun novelty paper clips that are large enough to affix to board books. So that's a fun page turner. You don't need to pinch or separate the pages, you just push them open. Just make sure that the book you're adapting is sturdy enough to stand up to the weight of whatever materials you decide to use. Experiment with some different options and have fun. Happy reading!
To learn more about the technology we have in our learning library, check out our website at techowlpa.org. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media. Links in the description below.